Hi there. I'd like to share with you how easy it was to set up the magnetic embroidery hoop by SEWTECH. They sent me a 6x10 hoop and asked me to give my honest opinion. That was hoop number SA441MK. I really did enjoy using the hoop. And the reasons that I did enjoy using it is because, first of all, the setup was easy and it was a quick setup. It was an even hole on the fabric, and I didn't worry about the fabric slipping or moving around because they had a special coating around their hoop, and it was a flocked coating. Not only that, the hoop felt really sturdy and strong. The magnets were strong and your fabric did not move, and I enjoyed that. And most of all, I enjoyed receiving this grid, this guide grid, because it helps you place your item on your hoop, and that means a lot to me. And it means a lot to me because it was easy to set up. But before I go into demonstration on how easy the setup was for this hoop, I would also like to show you the product that I finished, or my project that I finished on the SEWTECH magnetic embroidery hoop. That was a 6x10 and it was SA441MK. I thoroughly enjoyed it. Let's take a look. This is the project that I completed with the SEWTECH magnetic embroidery hoop, SA441MK. I truly enjoyed using this hoop. For the mere fact, not any of my stitches puckered. The fabric didn't puckle up or bug up or anything like that. Everything stayed nice and flat. If you take a look, you can see how nice the stitches are on this project. I am really pleased. I'm also pleased that the magnets are strong and it held well. SEWTECH has also given me a coupon code to share with you. So if this is something that you're interested in, you might want to check it out. There was no fabric burns on this product at all, or on my project. There were no fabric burns, and I enjoyed that. This is how it turned out. Fantastic. Now let's go and take a look on how I demonstrated the ease of use of this magnetic hoop by SEWTECH.